In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to team members in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make sure the right person is responsible for the right work, using Asana's direct assignment feature. First, open your project and click on the task you want to assign. This opens the task details pane on the right side of your screen. Think of this pane as the command center for the task. It's where you see the title, description, attachments, comments, and most importantly for today, the assignee. At the top of the task details pane, look for the assignee field. It usually shows a small person icon or a placeholder if no one is assigned yet. Click that field, you'll see a list of people who are members of your project or workspace. If you spot the person you want, simply select their name. As soon as you do, Asana updates the task so it clearly shows who is responsible. If you don't see the person in the list, start typing their name to filter or type their email address directly. This is especially helpful in larger teams where scrolling is slow. When you type an email, make sure it's the address they use for Asana in your organization. If they aren't part of your workspace yet, Asana may prompt you to invite them, depending on your permissions. Confirm that you have the right access and that the email is correct before proceeding. Once assigned, you'll notice the assignee's name or avatar appear on the task. This visual cue makes it easy to scan your project and see who owns what. The assignee will also be notified in Asana, and depending on their notification settings, they may receive an email alert too. That way nothing slips through the cracks. If you need to change the assignee later, just click the same field again and pick a different person, or clear it to unassign. This is useful when priorities shift or someone is out of office. Remember that each task in Asana can have only one assignee, which keeps accountability clear. A quick tip to make assignments more effective: add a concise title and a clear description before or right after you assign. That context helps your teammate understand exactly what success looks like. And if timing matters, review the due date so the assignee knows when the work is expected. That's it. Click the assignee field, choose a team member, or type their email to assign the task directly. Simple, fast, and reliable.